Today is Sunday, November 5th. This is the 1967 Cadillac Eldorado emergency rocker lockout switch from my friend Perry in New Jersey for his 1967 Eldorado, along with his passenger side power window switch. And the two units came to me as they were both non-functioning. And I've done a complete restoration, having opened up and fully serviced the units and repaired them. And we'll be testing the electrical continuity under power, which will be indicated by this light bulb. And right now I'm in the lockout mode. Okay, as soon as I go to the neutral position, we have the light bulb coming on, which is indicative of electrical continuity, passing through the emergency lockout rocker switch. So when you go ahead and lock out the power, what that's doing is prohibiting any of the other passengers from operating the electric power windows. Okay, so in pass-through mode, we have electrical continuity provided throughout the vehicle, which is the neutral stand-up position, and the lockout locks out the passengers from having any power. And when this switch is faulty, that can prohibit any of the other switches from functioning in the car, other than the 4-button cluster switch or 2-button cluster switch if you have an early 67 with roll-up vent windows in the rear. Okay. Moreover, what we have is the emergency feature. The emergency feature is indicated by the emergency connection. And we'll see that when we have no power, such as without the ignition being turned, we can rocker the switch, toggle the switch, which is spring-loaded, and you have to hold it with your finger. And that provides electrical continuity on an emergency basis. So that's the emergency feature on the emergency rocker lockout switch. Rocker for emergency rocker, and lockout for the locking out of the power. Okay, so we've tested the emergency rocker lockout switch. That's fully functional. And now we're going to test the passenger side window switch, which is a single switch. And I'll connect my electrical connectors there to the power feed. Okay. And we'll be looking again for the light bulb to come on. Okay, and there we are in the up position. Now I'll go ahead and check the other position. Okay, so we have excellent electrical continuity both up and down in the passenger side switch, so that's a pass test. And we've already tested the emergency rocker lockout switch, so these will be going to Perry in New Jersey as soon as I get his okay to ship reply confirmation. This is George in Florida. This is video number 2 in these electrical switches, having tested them when they came in and they were both faulty. So this is George in Florida. I have over 375,000 original vintage parts from 1959 through 1978, 75,000 specific Eldorado parts, Eldorado specific that is, from 1967 through 1978. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical, hard-to-source, original vintage Cadillac items, such as all of the electrical switches. Today is Sunday, November 5th. Thank you very kindly.